Hi, I'm Silvia and I am back in the Smeg kitchen, and my task today is to demystify steam cooking so that you can have restaurant quality meals in the comfort of your home. Normally, I would be quite anxious to cook a beef tenderloin like this, but today I'm gonna let the technology do the work for me. So let's set the oven. We want fan assist with steam at 140 and steam at 20%. The beauty of steam set at 20% will ensure the most succulent roast beef. Whilst that's heating, let's prep up this beautiful meal. And what's going to ensure that our beef is cooked to perfection is this super precise probe, which I will set at 56 degrees, and that is your perfect medium beef tenderloin. We're gonna pop the probe in and set it at 56. 30 minutes and dinner is ready. It's reached 56 degrees internal temperature, which is perfectly medium. This is rested and ready to slice, and it smells incredible. And it slices like butter. Look at that pink. Isn't that perfection? This is the beauty of steam, and the meat is succulent and incredibly juicy. And look at this, there's hardly any shrinkage because of the steam. And for more delicious recipes, please visit smegcucina.com.au.